Today I'm going to add a stake and some wires to help support the tomato plants here in our container 5-tier garden. There are 5-foot stakes, 7-foot, they come in all different heights. And I'm just going to push this into the soil and lean the plant against it. Then you can add things like the wire that ties for your bread or products that you buy at a store. And then I'm going to very loosely attach it here to support the height of this tomato plant. And as you can see, we tried about a 4-foot tall tomato cage, but wasn't tall enough. I love the fact that the blooms are here on the plants at this time, which means they are going to, once pollinated by the bees, they are going to be tomatoes here as well as here. And then on the plant we just staked, it's got a lot of new growth. And please like and subscribe if you'd like to see how our container raised bed plants are doing. And I finally found the culprit this morning. Look at there. That's who's been eating my peppers. There's a caterpillar in there on my hot pepper. Can you see it? Right here. Hey, cutie. Hey there. And the onions have sprouted. Did you know that pansy flowers are edible? They're one of many edible flowers. And this onion down here, the soil looks a little dry, so we're going to add some water to that today. That coconut core really holds moisture. Yet I notice when I water this container, the water doesn't always get to the bottom. But I love the fact that everything is growing beautifully here in this 5-tier container. Onions, tomatoes, and there is my basil. It has sprouted also. Please like and subscribe to keep following us. Or you can go to our website at bonnieandhutchflowergarden.com, or you can shop in our store online at bonniesflowergarden.wego.shopping. Thanks.